Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a staff engineer position at Zep AI, a Y Combinator-backed startup. It's a really exciting opportunity, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. The salary range alone is impressive, minus $150K to $250,000, plus equity. But beyond the compensation, what really catches my eye is their mission, building the foundational memory layer for next-gen AI agents. That's cutting-edge stuff.
Precisely. They're aiming to create a continuously learning knowledge graph, enabling AI systems to develop a rich, temporal understanding. Think of it as a supercharged memory for AI, allowing for more personalized and accurate applications. They've already got clients like Mattel and WebMD, which speaks volumes about their technology.
That's a strong client list. And the fact that they've published a research paper, even if the link seems a bit futuristic with that 2501 date, suggests a serious commitment to innovation. What are the key responsibilities for this staff engineer role?
It's a pretty comprehensive role. They need someone to provide technical leadership across the entire service, from infrastructure and APIs to the front end. They're looking for someone who can handle architecture, scalability, security, and reliability. It's not just about coding, it's about shaping the technical strategy.
I see. It sounds like they want a true architect, not just a coder. They also mention working on temporal fact management and real-time graph updates. That's deeply technical work, requiring a strong understanding of data structures and algorithms.
Exactly. And there's a significant emphasis on collaboration. They want someone who can mentor junior engineers, partner with the founder on the product roadmap, and work with other teams to improve their SDKs. It's a leadership role, no doubt.
The requirements are pretty demanding, too. 7+ years of experience, expertise in at least 2 of Python, TypeScript, or Go, a strong foundation in system architecture. It's a high bar, but the compensation and the opportunity to shape the future of AI memory technology certainly justify it. What about the interview process?
It's pretty standard for a senior role. A phone interview with the founder and chief of staff, followed by a technical interview with the founder and engineers. Then, you'll need to demo a project or complete a technical case study. And finally, a meeting with the founder to discuss the role in more detail. Reference and background checks round it all off.
Sounds intense, but fair enough. Overall, this seems like a fantastic opportunity for a senior engineer passionate about AI and looking for a significant leadership role in a fast-growing startup. The location flexibility is a nice bonus, too.
Absolutely. It's a chance to be at the forefront of a really exciting field. If you have the skills and experience, this Zep AI staff engineer position is definitely worth considering. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion insightful. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.